Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 easy hairstyles perfect for beginners. First of all, we're starting with a low bun hairstyle. I've left some hair out to frame the face. We're just going to divide off a chunk of hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear on one side and clip this out of the way until later. Gather the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Next, apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then just pinch and pull at the hair to create a bit more volume. Now we're just going to create a 3-strand braid on that ponytail, securing it with a clear elastic band. And then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Taking the end of the braid, just roll it up until we meet the head and then secure all round the outside of that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Release that side section and apply some more texture spray. Split this section in half and twist the sections around one another to create a twist. Lay this twist over the top of the bun and we're just going to secure it to the head on the left hand side. So bring this twist down to the opposite side of the bun and we're just going to secure it in the middle at the top and then also along the side of that bun just to keep it nice and secure. If you have any tail ends left over, just wrap these around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath that bun section. Then we're very gently going to pinch and pull at the edge of that twist. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For the second hairstyle, we've got another low messy bun. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half and working on that right hand side, we're just going to pop it into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side, so you should end up with 2 low ponytails. Next, take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and just apply this all over the top of the head. Then, using your fingers and thumb, gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little bit of volume. So taking that ponytail on the left, all we're going to do is twist it towards the head, apply some more texture spray down that twist, and then gently pinch and pull to create a bit more texture. Now take it over the elastic band on the right hand side and pin it on the middle and the left hand side of the twist to keep it secure to the head. Take the tail ends and combine it with the right hand ponytail. Now we're going to twist this away from the head, add some more texture spray to that twist and pinch and pull. Bring this twist over to the left hand side and again anchor it to the head using a couple of bobby pins on each side. Now bringing the tail ends back over to the right hand side, we're going to pin them to the head with another bobby pin and again secure the middle of the twist to the head also. Spend a couple of seconds just pinching and pulling at the bun and it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the third and final hairstyle, I've got a quick 1-minute chignon for you. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Gather the remaining hair at the back of the head and we're just going to secure it into a low ponytail. But on the last twist of the elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Next, we're just going to tie a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom of that ponytail, creating a little loop at the end. Now taking that ponytail, we're just going to cross it over to the opposite side of that little bump we created, and we're just going to roll that little looped end underneath so you can't see it, and push it really tight up towards the head with your hand. And we're just going to secure that all the way down the right hand side with a few bobby pins. Now going over to the left hand side, again push the chignon towards the head, and then just secure all the way down the left hand side with a few more bobby pins. Remember to catch a little bit of hair from the chignon and a little bit of hair from underneath to keep it nice and secure. Add a little bit of hairspray to control the flyaways, and I've added a sparkly comb. And it really is that quick and easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comment section below which style was your favourite.